Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm just going to show how to run multiple feature files with or without tags. So this is mainly for beginners. Okay, I got the sample project here, and then I got my feature files here. Okay, so if I want to run all these feature files, that I believe they are all run in alphabetical order when you run them in test runner. So all you have to do is just supply the path of the feature file, including the package where the feature files belong to. Okay, in this case, source, test, Java, and features. So if I supply like that, all scenarios from all these feature files will be run one by one. And if you just want to supply, if you want to run only scenarios from a particular feature file, you can actually just give the name of that particular feature file. Then you also have the option of tagging a feature or scenario, and then you can supply the tags in your test runner. And the advantage of tags is you can actually supply different permutations and combinations. So if you look at this this feature file, I've tagged the feature, then I also tagged the scenarios here. I got multiple tags. The last one has no tag. Just ignore the tests here. It could be repeated. It's purely for this demo purpose. So if I want to run, if I don't want to supply the name here, and then just want to run it using the tag, I could supply like this. So that's the tag of the feature file, and so in this case it's going to run all scenarios one by one from this particular feature file. Then if you want to run, let's say you want to run only this first scenario or a scenario from a particular feature file, then you can actually supply like this. So this is going to run the scenario that has the tag contact from this feature file. You also have an option of excluding a test. Let's say you want to exclude contact and run the rest of the scenarios from this feature file. Then I could supply just need to prefix the contact tag with a tilde special character or symbol. So this is going to run the rest of scenarios. Okay. So then one thing, if let's say if you want to supply like this, so I got, as I shown earlier, I've tagged the first one and second one here. The first one with regression test, second one with smoke test. I want to run those two. So this is actually, if you notice here, both these tags are in the same set of codes. See here. So so here what actually means is actually an OR condition. Okay, it's going to look for any scenario with either this tag or smoke test tag, and it's going to pick up all of them and they will be run. But if you actually supply like this here, you may have noticed already they both are each of these tags are in its own codes separated by comma. So in this case this becomes an AND condition. Test runner would look for scenarios that have both these tags together. If you can't find, it's going to fail or it's going to give an error. Okay, so that's how you use tags. Then you also have an option of excluding multiple scenarios like this. You can, if you just want to ignore any scenario that has regression test or smoke test, you can just put prefix them with tilde special character, and so these two would be ignored and the rest would be run. Okay, so that is so that's some of the basics of tags and how to use multiple feature files. One thing I made a mistake while learning. Was I when I created feature files, I gave the extension dot feature with a capital letter F, and my test wouldn't run. So take care, the when you create feature file, the extension feature has to have lowercase f. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.